guys, and welcome back to another video. And today it's about coding too. But of course, first of all, if you need any free coding projects or even exercises or practices for Python, C++, JavaScript, and many others, you can come to directory.com and you will find these free coding projects and with source code. Okay, you guys? All right, so let's go to our website today. So I will show you this website, which is codinggame.com. So codinggame.com. Here with this website, you will learn how to code games, but when you play in the games, okay? So I don't know, this is French. Why can I just change the language? Is there any language thing? Yes. Kids, let's put it in English. That's better. So, play coding games, have fun, and build skills. It is an amazing website, and I just love it. I just love it, guys. Alright, so let's dive in. Okie dokie. So, first of all, please sign in with one of your emails, and then you will be derived to this center. So first of all, just click got it. Okay, let's just skip the tutorial. I didn't see this. So it shows you step by step, you guys. Look, step by step what is happening, plus the code and every single command of the code, and also the rules of the game, what is the goal of it, etc, etc, etc. So it is so good, it is so amazing. And by the way, the best thing is here that you can choose the language. So for example, this code is with Python, but you can, for example, do it with whatever, JavaScript. So it will be the same output, but of course not the same coding. Okay, cool, amazing. And when you understand, when you do all this stuff, when you do the testing, by the way, you have many cases for sure. For example, for this example, you just have one, but of course from now on you will have more, for sure. Yeah. Okay, when you do everything, and of course if you need any console output or something, you can see everything. It's super detailed, so good. So let's submit because we understood and everything good. Now you will be, of course, they will test you, they will say some stuff because we didn't do anything, so yeah, we just will not get anything, but yeah. And also you can make friends. You can just go, you can tell them are you a professional or not, to make it harder for you or easier for you. So it's amazing. So it's starting from an introduction from scratch. Guys, this website is fortune. Honestly, it is a fortune. So here also there are some events. They will add some stuff, or they will do some challenges, because they also look at the number of participants. Oh my god. So they always do clashes or challenges or competitions. So they give the problem, and then challengers or participants, they do give the code for it or something like that, so you can just join the event from here. So guys, it's good, it's very amazing. And also look, they are working with good companies. You can for sure do lots of researches about it. So from all of these, I know Orange, I don't know if you know it or not, but it is a telephonic or telecommunication company. So yeah, they are working also with good universities and coding schools or whatever. And of course they are working with game, or I don't know, like huge gamers or very known gamers, but also coding gamers. So yeah, guys, they are mostly working, or they worked before with Riot, with a lot of other um, companies. So yeah, guys, this website is a fortune. Just go to codinggame.com game and learn how to code games. Alright, you guys, we came to the end of the video, and again, as I told you, don't you never forget about the free coding projects that you have. It's another fortune too. So you can find projects with source code, but also you can find practices and exercises and free books also, and some AI tools. So this website also is a fortune. Alright, you guys, so thank you for watching, and bye bye.